watch TV.
Can you spell TV?
T-O-P-A-U. TV.
Can you spell dog?
D-P-O-N-P. Dog.
Can you spell
One
cat?
watch, one watch.
Spell cat.
One watch,
cat.
one watch.
Spell cat. Spell watch.
She watch.
Spell watch.
T-O-P-A-U-V-O-P. Watch.
Ganun ba yun? Tama ba yun? Is it correct?
Watch, mommy. I want to watch. I want to
Spell
watch.
Maddie. Spell Maddie.
Letter.
Letter M. It starts with letter M.
M-A-D-O-N. Maddie.
Oh, galing
And
talaga.
watch, Maddie.
No, no.
Please. And watch, Maddie,
No,
please.
no.
Watch, Maddie, please. And watch. One watch. And watch TV. Please. Watch TV.
I love you.
How to?
Mga kita.
Kita. Watch my
Sobra,
TV.
sobra.
Watch my TV, please.
No, no.
Watch.
Love you.
Watch. 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 Watch.